is this price action, yo? All right, I guess that's enough trading for me. What's up, guys? Let's cover this crazy L that we took this morning. So just starting with the bias, guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull up TradeZella here and just go into the day. Go into some of my notes so you guys can see it here. So this is my original bias here. You guys can pause the video, look at it. This is my original bias. So just to kind of break that down, what was I looking at? So I was mainly looking at yesterday's move. So yesterday, you guys can see we traded from all-time highs. We went lower. We tapped into this 4-hour BISI here. After that, we rejected towards the upside. We inversed bearish gaps here. Go on the 1 hour here. We inversed this 1 hour gap here. And basically we were respecting 1 hour gaps. Like for example, right here before market open, you can see we came into this 1 hour here. We're respecting that and we're trading higher. Now the market did reach liquidity London highs and previous day highs. So at first I was potentially going to take shorts. I'm not going to lie to you, based off if we would have rated these highs. And we did rate these highs. We actually gave a 5-minute right here, 5-minute inversion here. Looking at it in hindsight, you could have probably took a short there. But I was mainly waiting for news at 10 a.m. So I didn't take that short. And then I wanted to see if we wanted to continue lower afterwards. But then I noticed that we printed here a 15-minute, right? We printed a 15-minute. So I wanted to see how the market wanted to react in here. And you can see we respected that 15-minute with like 3 wicks, right? You can see first 1, 2, 3 times we respected that 15-minute here. We even had an SMT right here at 9:30. We had an SMT with ES on this day as well. We had an SMT here at 9:30. ES did not raid this low. ES rated this 9:30 open, and NQ did not raid this 9:30 open. So we had that SMT there. And then after that, we also rated this low, this intermediate low. This was the first move down. You can see once 10 a.m. open, that was the first move down to the downside. And then we had data highs up here as well, that 10 a.m. candle. So there was definitely a reason for the market to go higher. Tapping into this 15-minute, having that data high. We rated this intermediate low. We were respecting this 15-minute, and then we had an SMT. Right, pretty decent setup. So we took the trade after the 4-minute inversion, right here. We had this 4-minute inversion here. We took the trade, and you guys can see the market bounced around, and then we just instantly just dumped. So one thing I want to say here is government shutdown, right? Most likely is the reasoning for this move. Probably some major economic news that came out about the government and everything like that. Because this was a pretty crazy down move towards the downside. Not something that I was expecting. I don't think anybody was expecting this today. If you took shorts, hey, congratulations, right? That was a crazy move that you caught today. And I'm gonna take my L because it was a decent setup. So I'm not really mad about it. It is what it is. These are not the best conditions to be trading in, and I know that, with the government being shut down and everything like that. Economic data is being delayed and everything like that. So yeah, that was pretty much the trade, guys. I don't really have anything to say about it. Like I said, it was a nice setup. It's a setup that would take again. So we just got unlucky today. Look at this market. Look at this market, man. We're just selling off. We dropped like hundreds of points in like a matter of minutes. So there's definitely some economic things going on. And it's just how this month has been going so far with the government being shut down. October starting off, a little bit shaky, but it doesn't matter how you start. It matters how you finish. So that's the breakdown, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you guys took, if you guys took longs or if you guys took shorts, or whatever the case is that, you know, that you had today. And that's the breakdown for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe. Peace out.